If you've ever blocked someone on Google Drive and now need to let them share files with you again, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Google Drive quickly and easily, step by step, so you can get back to sharing and collaborating without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google tips and software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive in your browser. You can do this on a computer, and the process is very similar whether you're using a laptop or desktop. Once Google Drive loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens your Google account options, which is where the blocked contacts list is stored. From the menu, click Manage your Google account. This takes you into your main Google account settings, where you can control privacy, security, personal info, and sharing preferences. If you use Google Drive regularly, this is also a useful place to know because many account-related settings are managed here, not directly inside Drive itself. Next, at the top of your Google account page, find and click the People and Sharing tab. This section controls how you interact with other people across Google services, including sharing settings and blocked users. Once you're inside, scroll or look through the options until you see the Blocked section. Click Blocked to view the list of people you've previously blocked. Now you'll see any blocked contacts associated with your account. Find the person you want to unblock from the list. If you have multiple blocked users, take a moment to make sure you select the correct person. This is important, especially if you blocked several people for different reasons and only want to restore access for one of them. When you've found the right person, click Remove or Unblock next to their name. Google may use slightly different wording depending on your account layout or updates, but the action is the same. Once you confirm it, that person will be removed from your block list. And that's it. The person is now unblocked on Google Drive. They should be able to share files with you again, and you'll be able to receive collaboration invites from them normally. If you were having trouble with missing file shares or collaboration issues, this may have been the fix you needed. Just remember, if you ever block someone again in the future, you can return to the same people and sharing and blocked settings to change it back. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when managing your Google account. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.